Ever wondered what the common mistakes beginners make when starting calisthenics? Well, it's a question that many ponder upon, and it's crucial to address it. Calisthenics, a bodyweight training method that emphasizes control, strength, and grace, is a fantastic way to get in shape. But like any form of fitness, it's essential to start with the basics and gradually ramp up the difficulty level. This is where many beginners falter. They dive headfirst into advanced moves, which can lead to injuries and discouragement due to lack of progress. It's like trying to run before you can walk. Today, we're going to talk about some of the common missteps beginners make in calisthenics, focusing on specific exercises that they should steer clear of initially. These are exercises that, while beneficial to seasoned practitioners, can be detrimental to newcomers who haven't yet developed the necessary strength and control. So, stay tuned to get informed about what exercises beginners should avoid in calisthenics. First, we have advanced plyometric movements.